Hello, great news. The performance wheel has been reinvented. Lighter wheels are faster wheels. After decades of advancements in wheel casting and forging technology, additive manufacturing or 3D printing will transform how little performance wheels can weigh and what the wheels look like. Wheel building boutique HRE printed titanium components with a carbon fiber barrel. The 20 by 9 inch front and 21 by 12.5-inch rear wheels weigh just 7.2 and 8.6 kilograms respectively. For high-end wheels of the same size, this reduces 0.45 kilograms in the front and 0.9 kilograms in the rear. Wheels are usually manufactured using cast or forged aluminum alloys. These processes are cost-effective but suffer from material inefficiencies whereby extra material is left on the wheels to allow margin for error in meeting strength standards. Gravity casting is the simplest and cheapest. Aluminium gravity casting process suffers from porosity. The weak points require the wheel to have more material and a simple design. Forged wheels are lighter and stiffer than cast wheels. Forging involves tempering a block of billet aluminium for strength, and then CNC machining it into the wheel. HRE's wheels use electron beam melting technology to print 5 interlocking individual components that form the face of the wheel. The final part requires finishing work thanks to a beam diameter of 140 microns. Unlike traditional gravity cast porosity, these machines can achieve nearly 100% material density. HRE uses a robust titanium alloy. The complicated geometries of the HRE wheels require additional support structures to suppress thermal distortion during the printing process. These scaffolds, which get removed during the finishing process, prevent the hot 3D printed metals from sagging during manufacturing. Lighter wheels make the car faster by considering unsprung mass, which are components that are not supported by the suspension system. Wheels and brake lines make up 10% of the weight of the car. As unsprung mass decreases, so does the workload on the suspension system. In bumpy situations, this allows the tire to remain in contact with the road for longer, leading to more traction. Lower unsprung mass also means a lower rotational inertia, which allows for better acceleration and shorter braking distances. HRE plans to sell these wheels at this point, but does not doubt that these wheels will see production at some point. Additive manufacturing is just the beginning to unlock a higher level of performance in the automotive industry. Thank you. Goodbye.